Good evening, all, and this is Litsa here, and we now live with a new guest today. So basically, everyone knows me. Still, I'm giving you a small introduction of mine. I'm Litsa Rani Raut from Unique Speaks and Odia Talk, and this platform is for the public speaker who wanted to share anything related topic here, and my aim is to create the more public speaking in Odisha. So here we have with our and also let me give you small introduction of our guest here. Welcome to Ajanta ma'am from actually from Ranchi, but currently she is living in Bangalore. She is by professional software, but she is having kind of love in public speaking. So she is our new guest. So how are you, ma'am?
Hi, Lipsa. Thank you. I am very fine. Today, I would like to say something more about myself, though Lipsa has already
Sure.
introduced myself. I am working as a software professional in one of the software firms. I love my work. And besides this, I have also taken up the public speaking as a platform to spread the message of positivity and a message to all the people where happiness I am initiating to spread. So uh,
Okay.
I, I I actually love writing motivational messages for people, and I want people to grow, of course, in a collaborative way.
Okay. Very good, ma'am. I'm so happy. And today, ma'am's topic is gratitude. So the life is giving full of gratitude. So how to enjoy this? How to interest on this? What is all about gratitude? We are going to see from the Ajanta ma'am. So I'm just, when I met with Ajanta ma'am, I'm just surprised that the professional in software which regularly busy with 10 to 12 hours in a day, still interest in public speaking something it is different. So, ma'am, what is gratitude and why you choose the gratitude type of topic? Just a small introduction in that.
Sure. Uh, Gratitude is a feeling of heartfelt thankfulness for one own self, for the things around us, for the people around us, and of course, for God. It helps us to be satisfied, and it helps us to be more happy in our life. With gratitude, we can win relationships. The relationship will become very, very close. If we have this feeling, if we start this feeling with ourselves, we can see a great difference in us. And when we do anything good, we should pat ourselves. Of course, we are the best creations of God. So we must be thankful to ourselves and the things we use and the people around us. This will help us to make our life much more happy by removing negativity. That's why I chose the topic of gratitude.
I'm sorry. The God's creation, it's like a diamond kind of creation. Nobody is expecting getting a human creation. And there is a reason because we are deserved for this. Gratitude is for this only. And is it from internal or external, ma'am? The gratitude.
Well, uh, we all know about motivation, right? When we are motivated to do something, we actually wish something to happen. We wish something positive to happen in our life. So, motivation in our life is an external factor where we are planning to make some changes in us and where we are expecting something in return. However, gratitude is an internal feeling. It starts
Yes.
from within us, and it when it makes us happy, and when we say thank you to the other person, heartfelt thank you, without any expectation in return. So, gratitude, according to me, is a internal feeling.
Okay, it's correct only because we have hearing lots of motivation videos, motivation books, motivation many things. But actually, motivation starts from your inner side. If you are not motivated yourself, then gratitude how it will become. And second thing I wanted to share you, like you are telling, that the human life is for a purpose. Everyone having different purpose, and you should go your own purpose. Not like this. This person is doing something, and I will follow. This is wrong. Whatever you like, you have to go on your own way. The gratitude is starts from your end, and you have to do it. My next question is, ma'am, what is the benefit of gratitude? How will mean feel grateful? How will benefited from gratitude?
Wow, gratitude has many, many benefits. It helps us to be peaceful. It helps us to be satisfied. It builds the relationship. It heals us. It gives us proper sleep. It gives us loads and loads of confidence. It is gratifying. It helps us to be away from negativity. There are so many abundance return of gratitude which you can feel within you if you start practicing it.
Correct, correct. Gratitude starts with you, and we have to practice. Mean it's like a consistency. It's not like today I practice and tomorrow I will leave this. So it's a continuous of practice. Make you gratitude. It's very good things, and how like gratitude is there in everyone's mind, but you are not applying it. How do you improve it? What is the path we have to follow to improve this?
Well, uh, gratitude can be improved in three very simple steps.
Wow.
First step, it's very
I'm
easy to
eagerly
learn.
waiting to know these things. I mean, it's something new topic for me. So I'm eagerly waiting to know what are these three things. First, I will follow this from you.
Definitely, it is very easy. So, first step is that first we should find out 100 reasons within us for which we should be grateful. It can start from anything, from the time you started walking, from the time you started speaking, from the time you started cycling, you did your kindergarten, to major steps in life. So earlier it will be easy, slowly it will become challenging because 100 is a big number, and definitely when you want to feel the feeling of gratitude within you, you should actually explore yourself for all the situations that you have been thankful for, and when you write it down, it brings an amazing amount of difference in your life. You will be very surprised to know that it increases a great amount of confidence in you. It will
Correct.
help you to understand your self-worth. The small things which we are never grateful about, if we start practicing being grateful about those things, that can bring a difference in our own behavior. We will be away from negativity. We will be attracting the positivity towards us. So, this is the first step. Second step
Very
is,
good. Very nice steps actually.
thank you. Second step is change of the mindset from can't to can. When
Correct.
we say can't, let us just take an example. For me, I'm taking an example. I can't lose weight. I can't leave junk food.
You
I
know that
can't.
losing weight, this topic is like, like lockdown, everyone is like gaining the weight. They're thinking, I can't. But if you try, definitely you can.
Definitely, that is the purpose of this second tip. So I can't control my anger. How do you feel when you say can't? Do you feel the brain stops working? Do you feel that brain has no motivation factor or no action to be taken if you say can't? It puts a full stop to the next course of action. Now, if we replace this can't to can, it will make the brain work in the direction that we want. So,
Correct.
if we say the same sentence with the word can instead of can't, we can see an amazing difference. Let's try it
Yeah.
out. I can lose weight. I
Okay.
can control my anger. I can leave my junk food. So, when we repeat this over and over and over again, it so happens that the brain will start working the way we want. So, we should practice the habit of saying can instead of can't. So, that is the second point. And the third point is
It is
third
gratitude is
point is
happiness. I just wanted to
no,
ask one
I would like to
question.
add my third point.
Sure,
Third
sure.
point, third point is affirmation. So when we start with all the good things that we have done to ourselves, as well as the good things that we have started doing it for people, if we make a list and if we are able to say it to ourselves, we can see a huge difference in us. We will
Right.
see that the people are becoming more close to us. We are having less stress. We would be able to sleep peacefully and we would be very much confident. We would have a large amount of support. That is why it is said gratitude returns abundance.
Correct. It's like a magic.
Yeah, it works like a magic within us.
Yes. Thank you very much, Ajanta ma'am. This 3 point is like a three golden, like stars. So the second point that you can't and you can is really very well done. You have explaining so many, good way. Thank you very much. I want to ask you one thing. Gratitude, it's a deep feeling or it's a happiness? What you can say?
Well, gratitude is not happiness. Happiness is not gratitude. Gratitude is happiness. When you do something for yourself, the kind of happiness you will feel, that will reflect in your personality. And when you
Correct.
start practicing this with the other people around you, you can see that people will be attracted towards you like a magnet. When you do the things and are grateful to the people who have done good things to you, you will be able to shine, and other people would also be able to make a very good feeling about you, and that will help to improve the relationship.
Very
Just
good.
imagine,
Very nice point. Very nice point.
just imagine, suppose if we are standing in front of, or if we are having some close friend, but some habit we do not like. Okay,
Correct.
so when we are thinking continuously of the wrong habits in the other person, in spite of the fact that we are not speaking this particular thought aloud, that thought reaches the other person. And slowly you will feel that the distance between the close person is increasing. even though you may not have told the words aloud. The feelings
Yes,
pass on to another person sooner than the words. So,
correct.
if we have a good feeling, even if a person has not done good for us, and suppose if we start developing good feeling towards that person will automatically start feeling, it's like, why am I feeling good about that other person? And that feeling will again move on, and the relationship between any person can be improved in this way.
Correct, correct. You know, I want to tell you, everyone here, gratitude makes your day and nights brighter and gives, in your face smiling. Once you capture this, once you feel this, you never leave this. So be practicing this. It's transmitter, now I am speaking with Ajanta ma'am. So this is a transmission of the word. It's like a transmission of the power from person to person. It's like a magic, what ma'am said. So be gratitude yourself every time. How to take forward it in future, ma'am?
Oh, that is a very interesting question.
Yeah.
Well, I have also initiated one of the group, life's amazing secret, where I would
Wow.
love to invite people, and every people are free to share the positivity, positive thoughts, the feeling of happiness in that group, so that the happiness becomes manifold.
Yeah, very true said. Everyone said now water is life, and you are keeping water in a bottle. I'm just giving one example. Water in a bottle. Similar life, the positive thinking is the life of a human span, I can say. And this is also the other name gratitude. If you fill your jar with a water, then you can fill your jar with a positive thinking. Like your surrounding with a positive thinking. And if you think negatively and your surrounding is feels of saddy, I can't, negative things, definitely if you a very big million person also, you will be fail, you can't do anything. So
Truly
today's
said.
topic is all about this. What is the final message, ma'am, you want to say to everyone here watching here to you?
Sure. The final message to everyone would be: maintain a success journal. Success journal should be filled in every day. The three achievements that you achieve every single day, you write it down. Slowly, slowly, you can see a difference in the work that you do, in the way you interact with people, in building the relationship, in your own confidence. So, this is the takeaway point: to maintain a success journal where you put your achievements every single day.
Yeah, it's very true, like a single liner message. Before finishing this, I wanted to tell you everyone, gratitude gives wonder in your life. Gratitude is nothing. If you search gratitude meaning in the Google, it's like a warm feeling, which is thankfulness to you, not to other. If you are thankful for yourself, then nobody can, stop you to doing something. Always you believe something limited things. Why should limited? You are coming for a reason. Be unlimited. Whatever you want to do it positively for continuously. And after 2 years, 1 year, some people take small time to famous. Some people take long time to famous. So take times, and one day definitely reach the Himalaya. Many of his hearing the YouTube video of Arunima Sneha on the top of the world. Please see this video. I wanted to tell you everyone, please watch this video. His leg is not there, and that positive vibe only take him to the Everest. First female is arriving. See, the oxygen is finished, still she is telling I'm the top of the world. This is what the positiveness, spirit, and gratitude. This video is for 30 minutes or 29 minutes exactly. Please see this video, the top of the world, Arunima Sneha. So this session is really nice. I never expected these things coming, these things. Yeah, Paul ma'am is here. You are amazing, Ajanta Vehera. Thank you, Paul ma'am, to watching this. I never expected that Paul ma'am also coming and watching this. She's the lady. I am watching his everyday's poems and everyday's videos, inspiring me a lot. Is the professional something different, but he's inspiring me a lot. Thank you, ma'am. I never expected to you are watching this. Sefali Gupta, ma'am, gratitude is glitter to your soul. Very true, ma'am. And Sefali Gupta, ma'am, also, he's inspiring to the young persons. And I had a session with them. The 5 things is happiness is a very awesome. Thank you, Ajanta. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ajanta, to coming here and showing your gratitude over here. We'll meet with the many more sessions like this. Hope everyone is stay safe and bye bye. Take care of yourself.
Just a moment. I would like to say
Sure, sure,
actual
sure,
thanks.
please.
I would like
Sure.
to say thank you to you, Lipsa, for organizing this, for giving me a platform to share my thoughts on this, and of course to the audience, because hosts like you and audience that are seeing this, they should be grateful for, and they make any person successful. So
Thank you,
definitely,
Ajanta.
I
Thank you.
thanks a lot.
That I have gone through that public speaking in university, that this author series SARS and Paul ma'ams and Sapali ma'ams, so many Solonin ma'am, so many persons are there. They are inspiring a lot. I can't stop this thing as it's my passion. Thank you very much, Ajanta. You will meet another session in different topic. Thank you everyone, and we'll love to watch you all. We will come back soon with very interesting and very new speakers coming up. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Take care.